So, I would want to know in class, how does Sharif sit?
You sit on the you sit in front.
Here. Yes. Oh, who sits with him? Asia. Where is Asia? Please come and tell us. By the way, the reason as to why I am happy he actually sits here, we have a general problem with our site. So I'm happy that he sits in front, and I'm sure you're doing your best to support him, right? When he's not seeing something on the blackboard.
Yes. The work, normally he uses my book when he's not seeing very well on the blackboard. So he uses my book to see what he was not able to see on the blackboard. He's a good boy, free boy, very humble. Don't find him when he's disturbing or making any noise or any comment in the class. He's very free, the way you see him.